All right, let's try another one together. This will probably be the last one we try together, and then Miss Fuentes will do a couple problems with you. So step one is we have to read the clocks. When I look at the first clock, it's like my favorite time because the minute hand and the hour hand are lined up, but I know the shorthand is orange, so that's going to tell me that that's 6 o'clock. And when it's pointing to the 12, that's o'clock, so it must be 6 o'clock. The second one over here on the right is the orange hand is between the 8 and the 9, so that means it's not 9 yet. And since the green hand is on the 7, I've already memorized my 5, so that's 8:35. So we have to figure out what happened from 6 o'clock to 8:35, or how much time has elapsed. So the first thing I'm going to need to draw on my piece of paper is a line, because then I'm going to do my mountains and hills on that line. Don't forget that a mountain is going to be your hours, 1 hour, and your hills will be much shorter, and that's for minutes. And we just do that to keep it organized when we add it up in the end. Okay, so 6 o'clock, I'm going to go ahead and label my times. I'm going to make the text a little bit smaller. All right, so over here, oh man, I wanted to make it smaller. 20, okay, perfect. Over here, it's going to be 6 o'clock. That's our start. And on this side of the timeline, I'm going to do 8:35. So we have to hop from 6 o'clock to 8:35, which is going to be easy peasy. We can do it. All right, do you remember, do we start with mountains or do we start with hills? Good job. We should definitely start with mountains. So I'm going to get my marker tool, and I'm going to do red, and we're going to go to the next o'clock. So if it's 6 o'clock, the next o'clock would be 7 o'clock. All right. And I'm going to ask myself, can I go another o'clock? Because I don't want to jump off the mountain. Yep, I can go to 8 o'clock. There's another hour, and I'm 8 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to go one more mountain. 9 o'clock. Oh no, I jumped over the mountain because I went to 9 o'clock, and we don't want to jump off the mountain. That's a bad idea. So instead, I'm going to do a hill, and I have to ask myself, from 8 o'clock to 8:35, how many minutes have passed? Oh, that's an easy one. 35 minutes. So I'm going to put that all together, and I'm going to figure out the elapsed time. I'm going to make my text smaller this time so it's not super big. And the elapsed time is, did you figure it out? How many hours? 2. Good. 2 hours, and we're going to abbreviate. And how many minutes? Good job. 35 minutes. And the abbreviation for minutes is MINS or MIN. Doesn't matter. All right, so you did it.